Hello everyone. How are you today? How do you feel? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling great? You feel wonderful? That's very good. That's very good. Me too. Feeling wonderful today. So let's sing our first song for today is If You're Happy. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Shout hooray. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Good. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Good. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, clap your hand. Let's shout hooray. Not too loud. If you happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you happy and you know it and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, shout hooray. Good. Let's say hello this time. If you happy and you know it, say hello. Hello. If you happy and you know it, say hello. Hello. If you happy and you know it and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, say hello. Hello. Yeah. That's right. Feeling a little hungry. Feeling hungry. Ooh. But don't worry. Oh, I've got something to eat. Got some chips with me. That's very lucky. Lucky you, Master Ken. Got some chips. Wonderful. Delicious. I like chips. What? What did I hear? I hear something. What? No? Chips are not good for you? Oh, really? I didn't know that. Really? Makes your tummy go big and you go fat? Really? But it's delicious! What can I eat if I don't eat my chips? I love chips! What did you say? Fruit? I can eat fruit instead? But I don't like fruits. Really? I should try? Should I try fruit? What fruit should I try today? There are a lot of many different kinds of fruits. Can you give me one name? Alright. What about apples? Apples. Do you like apples? Oh, yes, of course. Everybody likes apple, I think. Apples are nice. Next. Banana. Banana. Do you like bananas? For me, yes, I do. I like bananas. Bananas are great. Next, pineapple. Pineapple. Do you like pineapple? Yeah, pineapples are nice. But for me, no, I don't. I don't like pineapples. I don't like pineapples. Next, what's that fruit you like to eat when it's really hot? That's right, watermelon. Watermelon. Put one up in the fridge. Take it out when it's cold and eat it while it's cold. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Next, my favorite fruit. Okay, my favorite fruit. Next one is mango. That's right, mangoes. I love mangoes, but make sure they are ripe. Ripe meaning they go yellow and sweet. I don't like sour green and sour mangoes. I don't like that. I like the yellow and sweet, ripe mangoes. Very good, very good. Talking about fruit. Do you know that fruit has kings and queens? Kings of fruit and queens of fruit. Do you know what kings of fruit is? Well, let me tell you, it's big, it's green, it has spikes. You can't just hold them, so like, it's gonna hurt your hands. Tastes wonderful, but it smells a little bit. That's right, the king of fruit is durian. Durian, that's right. Durian is king of fruit, and I like durian. Do you like durians? Yes, but don't eat a lot of them, no? Even though they are fruit, but they're not very good for you. Oh, and what is the queen of fruit? Do you know what the queen of fruit is? Yes, the queen of fruit is mangosteen. Mangosteen. That's right, mangosteen is the queen of fruit. I like mangosteen. I like to put them in the fridge and eat them while they are cold. Ooh, wonderful. Alright everybody, now I am full. I'm not feeling hungry anymore. So do you know what time it is? It's time to spend all those energies I've just eaten. So let's sing and dance together. We are talking about fruit, so one of my favorite fruit is bananas. Bananas. Do you like bananas? Oh yes I do. I love bananas. So let's sing a banana song together everybody. Okay, it goes like this. You have to do it with me, okay? Did you say peel banana? Peel banana. Yes, before you eat banana you have to peel the skin off before you can eat it. Okay, so peel banana. Next, what do? That's right, slice banana. Slice banana. Having a bad hair day? Okay, and then what do? Eat banana. That's right, eat bananas. Eat a lot. It's very good for you. And everybody say, go bananas! That's very good. Well done. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. All the bananas in the world unite. Peel banana, peel banana, slice banana, slice banana, eat banana, eat banana, go bananas, go banana. Sing it together one more time. All the bananas in the world That was good. How do you feel? Do you feel tired? Oh, yes, Master Ken is feeling a little tired now. Alright. Oh, what a wonderful day. I've had a lot of apples today. That's good. Do you know what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So don't forget to eat your fruits every day, people. Alright, it's time to say goodbye again. Don't forget to come into Facebook Live, Facebook page for Coaching English to see Master Ken, okay, dancing and playing guitar while learning English. Alright, well done. It's time to say goodbye. So let's sing our goodbye song. Alright? If you happy and you know it, say goodbye. Goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it,